bocce goes way back, even to the Pharaoh times, but the Italians claim it back in the Roman times, and they used to play with pebbles and rocks, and it has gone on through the centuries and become a backyard game kind of similar to that of playing croquet. And like Tony Zucca was the one who started the Bocce Association in Salt Lake City, and he was a double amputee. And he loved the game. He could play it from his chair, and he said, if I can play, anybody can play. And so that was kind of the slogan that was said, and you only had to be an Italian heart. You didn't have to be Italian to play. Anyone can play. It's just a matter of tossing out the little white ball out there called a pallina, and whoever can toss their bigger ball closest to it is the one who wins the game. That's the bottom line. Okay, these are the 3 balls we play with. I mean, there's more of the red and there's more of the green, but we only have one of the white. And that one is tossed out way down the court. And the goal is to get your ball the closest to it. And then the goal of the guy competing with you is to, see if I can do it, knock you out of the way. And sometimes you get lucky and they hit you a little bit closer. And then they get down there with little tape measures to see who's the closest, and that's who's won the game.
Yeah, because of me, we don't have to play.
It's fine. We won.